Hello everyone, if you have been following along with the PlannerKate challenge, you can post your pictures on Instagram using the hashtag PlannerKate challenge for a chance to win $50 shop credit to PlannerKate. Today's prompt for September 10th, 2020 is cleaning. So I thought I'd show you my section of what I consider cleaning stickers. This is one of my binders that I have, and it just houses sort of the mismatch of stickers that I have. So it's not a kit, it's not a script, it's not an icon or a checklist. All those other sorts of stickers go in their own binders or albums. But in this one, I do have a cleaning section. It is the second tab, and you can find the binders and these tabs on my Amazon favorite store, which I will link below for you. So I will preface this by saying some of these stickers are very old, and you will see that they are because they're the old smaller sheets with a different header. These are from PlannerKate, probably in like the year 2016, 2017, something like that. But I keep them because I do use them. So I'll flip through here, and this is everything related to kind of home and cleaning. And if you see something that grabs your eye, of course, you can search the store. And if she doesn't have them available, if they're the older sheet, you can always message her and see if she would put those back up for you. But like this one is an older sheet, and it's sheet S367. This is the old sheet. This is the new sheet. So she does have them still in the store with the same number. I use these a lot, so I have several sheets of those. And then these are also house stickers, only with the strings background. And then these are the older Dorky Doodle sheets that are too large to fit in a regular binder. So I punched the header and just folded the sheet so that they would fit. Same with this one. Yard work, cleaning bucket, cleaning day, and these are probably some of my favorite generic cleaning stickers, just to mark that I'll be cleaning. This is a bowl full of lemons 30-day bag purge challenge. And I used to use these, layer the beds with the towels to mark when I'm doing sheets and towels, laundry for the week. This one's really old, like her original sheets. The header's not even at the top, it's here on the side. Same with these next few. Clean the closet stickers, kitchen, bathrooms, and fridge. And then just a generic clean house, clean playroom, clean kitchen. And I like these because she mixed the two fonts, more of a scripty style with the simple font. Clean bathrooms, office, bedroom, family room, basement, garage. And then if you don't want specific sheets like these, this sheet S44 has all of those in the black font, just a mixed sheet, so you could, totally get just this sheet. Lawn service, shovel snow, my favorite car wash stickers ever, oil change, and then these are all the same. They're for our chickens, feed the chicks and clean the coop. And then trash can stickers. And again, they're very old ones. And I don't know how you guys are, but if I'm investing in my stickers, I keep them, even if there are new updated ones available that I end up purchasing. There's no need, in my opinion, to get rid of them because I could still use them. So that is my cleaning section. If you guys have any questions, as always, just drop a comment below and I will get back to you.